Let's look at the score before we look at the keyboard. I want to take a look at this first pattern here. And as I'm learning this first pattern, I would break it down to the upper part and then add the lower part. So I'm looking at the fingering, which is 2, 3, 4, 3, and then a 5. So there's something happening between the 3 and the 5 in there, and then I have to go down. So I'm going to just play it so you can hear it. 2, 3, 4, 3, and I shift my hand over for the D, and then I'm going down to the G, and I'd probably use finger 2 there. I'm just going to mark that in. And that's repeated. And in fact, that's repeated here and here. So already that's a big chunk of this piece, isn't it? Okay, now underneath I have a third below each one, and I have a B flat, a C, a D, a C, and a B flat going down to the E. Now I notice it's done with a thumb. I move my thumb, a 2, back to the thumb, and then a 3. So I'm probably going to use that thumb as a lever to get over to the 3, and now my thumb's free to hit the E. So now when I put them together, I'm going to have staccato, so I don't have to worry so much about connecting. I move the thumb over. I move here already in position. Use the thumb as a little lever, come over to the B flat and D, and then you can come down. I do that again. And then these are pretty much easy. You just have to figure out what the notes are. So that's how much I would start. Now, in the other hand, and I'll do that in a different color. Let's do it in green. I notice that we have a different pattern here. So, and I see 4, 2, 3, 1, and I see this repeated. So I'm going to repeat this pattern. And then I'm probably using 3 and 5 here. So there isn't anything the left hand has to do. Notice, by the way, that we are in treble clef. And of course that's repeated here, here, and here. All right, so listen to the whole thing, how it will sound. By the way, did you notice that it is an octave higher for the right hand? That would be a big jump, a good start. Haunted Castle, right hand, middle C, treble C. The right hand is an octave higher than written, so I'm going to be up here. I'm putting my thumb on a B flat and my 2 on the D. First, I'm going to play just the upper notes. Did you see the shift? I'll do that again. Did you notice I'm also playing inside of the black keys? And the reason is because it will be more comfortable. If I'm out here, I'd have to walk in. Look at the lower part. The thumb is moving back and forth. But here, I'm just crossing over to the 3, and then the thumb is moving down. So when I put them together, you see why I had to be in. The thumb is up here. Then I move the thumb over. I'm already in position. And I cross over for 3 and 5 and come down. The other hand is also in treble clef. And I start with my hand in this position. Now, if I do this, my thumb can't reach the F sharp. So I want to be further in to start with. In fact, that's the hand position I'm staying in. I'm going to call it the augmented B flat. Or tone scale. So it's a B-flat whole tone scale. How's that for a name? I don't want to have to worry about my left hand. See, because there's enough going on in the other hand. But at this point, I do have to replace that pinky with my thumb. So here I go. Oopsie. There's the sound. You see the right hand has a lot more to do. And I had to get out of the way. Look at that. That E was being taken by the other hand. And I go right back up to 1, 2. Memorize the right hand. Get that fingering so that it feels automatic. Maybe go up and down. And do get it to go here. That would be a good destination. Let me go onward. A little LH. Then I go over here. Did you notice that didn't work with the 2? So let me show a different. See, now I got 2 fingers to play this part. I'm doing out of time, so don't worry about that. I have to cross over. Isn't that fun? All right, so here's the whole piece now. New pedal. Lift up both hands to find this position. I love that chord. Now look where I'm going. That fingering gets me to the thumb. Notice that the octave sign is gone. 4, 3. Look at that cool thing. You're right, I think I'll call over. Notice the left hand, he's bouncing around. Rallentando, you can slow it down and here and stay there. With that chord, use that over. I do that higher up. Same notes. And the same notes again. You can't even see it, but that's how it sounds.